This is the back end to WooCommerce for products. As you can see, this is the aromatic product. I apologize if something goes blank. It's because the screen is recording and it's just eating up too many resources. This is something I think we entered almost 2 years ago. Attributes is it's for the agricultural and for rice. That's where we have it, so it displays on the screen that way. We can tag products, and the tag description allows it to be searched via the internet. Um, yeah, from the back end, it just won't do this, right? Why is it not displaying? Okay. So it did a little refresh there, so I won't click anything. Just leave well enough alone. These are just some miscellaneous attributes about the videos, but most importantly, you can see the product price. The product price has been keyed in USD. It automatically converts to shillings when it's entered. As you can see, it's wholesale pricing. If we have a wholesale customer, you can have different pricing and then dynamic pricing as well. As far as the inventory is concerned, you can see that it has the G the GTN 13 number, which is the extra zero, and it has the GTN 12. There are other attributes such as weight and other things can be entered, and the weight in kilograms that can be entered for the product as well. This is 5 kg, so I'm just going to put 5 in here. In the product to update it. So also let's making sure I cover every other aspect. You can see this, every product is a QR code. This is the short description. So you have a long description, short description. That's how it's displayed. This is the video link for the product. So the product already has those attributes built in. So anyone going to a product or product detail will see that if that's what they're really interested in. I doubt for the wholesale customers that would be interested in that particular aspect of a product. There are other parts here you can sold individually or initial number of stock. That's how we would stock the product by entering the items entered and then continuing to update them so that the quantity that we have on hand or delivered is always consistent. That's part of the management of the inventory aspect. Shipping, again, we can put in more details like the weight I'm putting that in now is 5 kg. Um, and that allows us to be able to measure exactly how much a product weighs and et cetera when it's being shipped. So I'm going to go and update the listing, but this would conclude any aspect for the product on the product page. This is just, it may sound a little complex, but this was just to give an overview of the back end of how the products look on it and what the system is capable of. Thanks.